So I'm trying to school y'all because I don't want y'all to do what I did. I want to tell you how to ruin your relaxer and damage your hair. Welcome to my life as I live it. I'm Army Princess, the mother, wife, and soldier, and I want to share this journey with you. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe now so you don't miss a moment of it. For the people who are watching me for the very first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. But you might want to go back and watch the video before this to see why I'm so turned right now. Like, turned, tight, whatever you want to call it. Just, I'm going to put it here. Anyway, I don't want what happened to me to happen to you. So I'm going to tell you how I ruined my relaxer and damaged my hair. So I call myself protective styling before I got a relaxer. And I had my protective styling for about 5 weeks. I also have a video on that. I will put it here. Anywho, I knew that I was getting my relaxer on a Friday. I was being, I don't want to say lazy, but I was trying to save time. And so I did not take my braids down until the Sunday before. But I'm like, you know, that's a good week. I should be okay. Then on top of that, I didn't wash my hair when I took my 5-week-old braids down. So as you can imagine, my hair was, I don't want to say nappy, my hair was matted. And it was very dirty. And so I tried to detangle it. And I was like, you know what? I'm just not going to wash it. I'll detangle it. And I'll braid it up into 2 cornrows. And then I'll just, you know, get my relaxer. It should be good. No. Well, I detangled my hair on Sunday. I braided it up on Monday and Tuesday, and then on Tuesday I just left the 2 cornrows in because I was like, I don't want to be digging in my hair, I don't want it to burn, so I'm just gonna leave these cornrows up and then take it down, you know, Friday morning when I go get my relaxer. Okay, so Sunday night I decided to take my hair down just to, you know, see. When I took them braids down, it was so matted and so thick and so tangled that I literally had to go in and pull pieces apart. Now, mind you, I have not had a relaxer before this for 6 months. And then I get a protective style for 5 weeks. So all the new growth of 6 months plus a protective style that has not been washed or combed out for 5 weeks prior equals a mess. So I took the braids down. I tried to detangle it. It was so matted. It was so just the worst. And then come Friday morning, I was like, I don't want her to be trying to tug on my hair to get the comb through to put the relaxer, so let me try to detangle it a little bit more. When I tell you, she didn't even get halfway through my hair, and my hair felt like it was on fire. And it's not her fault. I'm not in any way blaming the stylist, because she basted my scalp. She did what she was supposed to do. It was me who wanted to detangle my hair the morning before I got a relaxer. Please, please. It should be common sense, but you know, common sense is not so common. Do not detangle your hair the morning before. Take your braids down well enough in advance. Get it washed well enough in advance so that your hair is free and you can just go in and get a nice relaxer the way you're supposed to. Don't wash your hair. Don't do any manipulation of your hair like that. Secondly, I sweated. So I know that I sweat when I take a bath. But I was like, I really want to take a bath. Like, if you haven't seen my bath routine, then what are you doing? Because it kind of semi blew up and it's kind of like a big deal on my channel. So please check out my bath spa routine because it's lit. So I was like, I want to take a bath. You know, I want to drink my wine. And my water is hot, so my scalp sweats. So on top of me not combing my hair and washing my hair for 5 weeks, me not getting a relaxer for 6 months, and me detangling my hair the day of, I want to take a bath before and sweat out my scalp. Let's just say it was a recipe for not success, a recipe for a mess, and I paid for it dearly. So I messed up my relaxer because like as she putting it in and still smoothing it, I'm like, my scalp is burning. So we went over and washed it out, and like half of my hair, I could tell like half of my hair back here is like not even, I'm not gonna say it's not relaxed, it's like if you text slacks. So half of it is like text slacks and half up here is relaxed because I just had to get it washed out because it was burning so bad. I have chemical burns and I have chemical burns in the back. It's not bad, I don't get bad chemical burns, but at least in, well, what's this word, but at the end of the day, I got a chemical burn. I have different textures in my hair, and I just really didn't have a good relaxer experience. And like I said, it's not the beautician or the stylist. I've been going to her for over a year now. She does a very good job. It was me. So yeah, that is this. I guess it's kind of like a story time. How I ruined my relaxer and damaged my hair. I wouldn't say it's just damaged, but I feel like it's damaged. If I got a burn on my scalp, that's damage. So I damaged my scalp, and I know better. So yeah, guys, I'm going to end it here. And make sure you check out those other videos, because if you haven't subscribed yet, then what are you doing? Okay guys, that's the end of this video. I do not want you to do what I did, and like I said, common sense is not so common, so I'm giving it to you, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.